Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shelly, the at-home chef, and today we're going to make a vegan buttermilk fried chicken. Okay, well, mushrooms. So we're gonna use king oyster mushrooms for our fried chicken. And some of you may be wondering, well, how do you make vegan buttermilk? Well, back in the day when I was in the National Guard, I worked in the kitchen, and I remember one of the cooks, she was trying to make biscuits, and she had no buttermilk. So she said, oh, I know a trick, let me show you what to do. And she got regular milk, and she got vinegar, white vinegar, put it in there and let it sit, and then it started curding. So I figured, why couldn't I do the same with almond milk? And so that's what I did. So I have a cup of almond milk and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which I put in here, and I had it sitting, and you can see how it's changing. All right. And so that's how we're gonna make our vegan buttermilk. And for the dry mixture, before I actually put our vegan buttermilk in here, I have 1/4 cup of flour, then I have about 1/2 cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon or maybe 1/2 teaspoon, guys, I suck at measuring, about an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and the same for the onion powder. And I love my turmeric, so an 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, and I put a touch of cayenne. You can't forget the Adobe. So I put about approximately a teaspoon, but you know, you still adjust. I like to taste test and make sure that it's okay. And so that's what I have in here. And so we're gonna proceed. We're gonna add our buttermilk. And make sure you mix that well. Make sure there's no lumps in there. So as you can see, I have a nice smooth batter. And I have my mushrooms are already washed and clean. And you don't have to leave the stems on here, but you know, I want it to kind of look like a chicken leg or whatever, so I'm gonna leave mine on here, but you don't have to do that. And then I have some dry batter, and it's just cornmeal and some flour and some touch of salt and a touch of salt. Sorry. And so let's get right to it. So as you can see, I have my mushrooms inside my batter, and you have to make sure that it's totally covered. Okay, then I'm gonna just add just a little dust of the I don't want it too floury, so I'm gonna just lightly dust it on there. Smells good. And we're gonna add the others. Make sure your oil is not too hot. I think I have mine up just a little too high. Put it down. Okay guys, so now we're done with our vegan buttermilk fried chicken mushroom. So I realized while I was doing it, I didn't like how it was coming out when I dipped it in the wet batter and then in the dry batter. So I just continued to dip it in the wet batter and fry it like that. And I felt like it turned out more crispy and just much better. So you could try it and see if you like it the other way, but I think it turned out perfectly just dipping it in the wet batter and then frying it. And so to complement that, I made a quick peas and rice with brown rice. It was really quick, so don't judge my peas and rice. Some fried plantains, of course. And I was really craving some Haitian Pikliz, and so I threw that together really quick with a touch of my own ingredients. Of course, it wouldn't be me if I don't put my own things in there. I'm gonna put that in the description box, the recipe in the description box and how I made it. And I wanted to try out my vegan chicken with some jerk sauce. So, time for the taste test. We have that crispiness. Hey, kind of looks like chicken, right? All right, time for the taste test. I'm gonna try mine with a touch of this. Once again, I outdid myself. You guys, it is so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't keep this recipe to yourself. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My camera woman was reminding me to tell you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe just as much as I did. Thank you for tuning in again. Bye.